Bitcoin has finally broken here to the downside as we have expected as for the last couple of days already. And now the question is, how low will Bitcoin go? From where could we see a relief bounce or a general bounce, and how high can that bounce actually go? That is something that we should talk about today. And welcome back to the channel. I hope you had a joyful Christmas time like I had. That's why I was taking a break to spend some quality time with my family and friends. And of course, guys, as we are back, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also activate the notification bell to never miss out on these important updates. And now let's jump here directly into the charts. So I want to first of all talk about our trade that we tried now multiple times until it finally worked out. So we had first gotten into this trade here, so we got stopped out, and then we got here now the finally the trade that we wanted to see, where we went to the downside, went to our first take profit point, came close to the second take profit point, but came now back up here and potentially come back here to the second take profit point. So for now this trade is running a profit, so I'm still in this trade, but you see I have already taken here partially profits of it. I have taken half already out, so and the rest is running here in a profit. So it's a $15,000 a Bitcoin position more or less that I have here, and yeah, so it's right now almost 7%, 6.5% running here in profit. So and I have right now really small positions, just to show you that even with small positions that this can lead to really big positions later on. And of course, if I'm testing new strategies, I use really small amount of money on these trades instead of opening huge positions, and I cannot really estimate the risk in it, you know. So that's why when you test something, I like to use really small positions. If I lose it, it's fine, you know. So rather I lose something small than having a really big position and lose on that. So but once I have confirmed the strategy, then of course then I can go in with much bigger money. So here on the 1 hourly time frame, we see the stochastic RSI giving us another sell signal, which could indicate that we see now pretty soon a move here all the way down to 16,532 on the shorter time frames. And as you can see, that is for now a support level. So we came here multiple times, also close to it. So there is definitely some support from this overall structure here, but I think that we will see a retest of that here with a move to the downside. So when we go to the 4 hourly chart, there things look of course a little bit even worse for Bitcoin. So because we have now confirmed that this is now a big resistance, as I had also pointed this out multiple times, that here around $16,900 is massive resistance. And yeah, Bitcoin has tried to break this here in the last 3-4 days twice, here and here, and could not manage to stay above these levels. And of course we had also here the point of control of the VPVR coming there in, where the bears were in control, and they have pushed the price back down under this red resistance area that we have here, so which is now also confirmed as resistance here with a retest of that candle. And now of course this level here is acting now, so where do I have this? So here, this is now acting as a magnet for the Bitcoin price. So it is pretty likely that we will see Bitcoin going here down to 16,450 and potentially even to the bottom of this to 16,260, and then we would have of course also achieved all our trade targets from our trade here, from our trade setup. And just for you guys, if you are new to trading and that was the first trade that you have taken, and you have taken it as I explain it here, then definitely set your break even point, your stop loss to your entry level. That means that you're at break even, and no matter what happens with the trade, if you have not already taken profit, your trade is then at no risk anymore. So you cannot lose money. If you have already taken profit a little bit and you set your stop loss to your entry, the trade is in profit and also risk free. So even though if the price comes back up to your entry level, you will not lose any money anymore, because you potentially have already taken some money out. So, and for everybody else that wants to take trades like this in the future with me, make sure that you go to the description or to the pin comment below. You still get $30,000 in deposit bonus on BYBIT, only with the specific link in the description or in the bio. So, or in on Bitget, there also you still get $20,000 with the specific link in the description or in the pinned comment of this video. So then let's go to the higher time frames. So here on the daily chart, we had here this diamond pattern where we kind of sideways out of it. So but now we have broken here to the downside, so as it would have normally been the case already here. So that got a little bit delayed, but now we are breaking it down. So and the target of this is $15,930 here on the daily chart. So, and also the stochastic RSI is also not looking really bullish here. Also, when we look on the EMA ribbons, I have checked this earlier already. So we ran here into the lower end of the EMA ribbon, which acted, of course, as resistance. We were not able to break that. Got then here with this candle a rejection from there, and this is also an indication that we potentially go here lower. Because we have to stay price-wise, as I have pointed this out multiple times, at least in the middle of the EMA ribbon, above the middle, so that this can flip you back into an uptrend. But for now, this is still in a downtrend, because the yellow string of the EMA ribbon is pointing here to the downside. If it's to the upside, if it's up here, so then we are in an uptrend. But this is right now not the case, and that's why we should be prepared for way lower levels. So when I look for levels to bounce for the Bitcoin price, the first level that I would be looking for a bounce would be again here, the lower low that we made here at 15,550. That could be a potential bounce point, or here the around $16,000, that could be also a bounce point. So I think here in between these two levels we could see a potential bounce here for the Bitcoin price. If we don't see a significant bounce back here to the upside above 17,000 when we get down to this, then we should be also prepared that we might go way lower than just $15,550. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.